blush pears. They're the reddish colored pears. And you want sandwich cookie? And then pears. Okay. You want baked fish? Okay, so you want ham and cheese omelet? You want any toast? You want banana? And your hot cereal. Okay, so for lunch, you want lasagna or do you want beef cubes over noodles? Garlic bread? You want green beans? Apple pie. You want sherbet too? So beef cubes over noodles, garlic bread, and apple pie. Okay. And you want minestrone soup? Do they? Chicken salad on wheat? You want a chicken salad sandwich? That's still with the soup, where the minestrone soup is. They have minestrone soup, then they have chicken salad on wheat or a ham sandwich. Just have the soup, and then grapes. You want sliced peaches too? You want carrot sticks? So you're just going to have soup and grapes for dinner. You want the ham sandwich? You don't want lettuce and tomato? Just the ham sandwich. You can always have them get you grilled cheese too. Okay. Waffle? Bacon? Home fries? Wheat toast? Banana? Okay, so you want baked chicken with gravy, or did you want the tuna? You wanted the baked chicken and gravy, right? Sugar-free pudding? That's what that is. The SF means sugar-free. You want sliced bread or beets? You want beets? You want lemon broccoli? Just the beets? Video. You want applesauce too? With your sugar-free pudding, you want applesauce? No? Okay, So baked chicken with gravy, sliced beets, and sugar-free pudding. Okay. You want grilled cheese sandwich. You want the tomato soup too? Tomato soup and grilled cheese? Okay. You don't want a hamburger, salad. So you want fruit cup and pie. Okay, so tomato soup, grilled cheese sandwich, fruit cup, and pie. Then on Saturday, fruit and yogurt or corned beef hash. I know it's a weird difference. Or you want it all. Fruit and yogurt plate. So it's going to be a plate that's going to have yogurt on it and it's different fruits. Want cereal? You want banana? You sure? You want toast? No toast? And then hot cereal. So, fruit and yogurt plate, banana and hot cereal. Open face turkey sandwich or roast beef and gravy. You want the whipped potatoes, but what do you want for meat? You want an open faced hot turkey sandwich, or you want roast beef and gravy? Roast beef and gravy.
There's no fun.